Hi everyone, today we're going to see how to find healthcare services within the ASSA medical network. First, type ASSA cuadro médico on Google and click on this link. Once you're on the page, you need to first select the type of service you're looking for, healthcare or dental. Then enter your region and city, for example, Barcelona. And choose the specialty you need from the list. For example, here, cardiology. And click on search. The results will then appear. On the right side, you'll find a map so you can easily locate them. And on the left side, you'll find each doctor with their addresses, phone numbers, and the languages they speak. Thanks for watching this video.